Hey Jim, it's Martin with Haven Roofing. I'm about to perform that first repair that I mentioned with you on the roof. Like I explained before, the only reason that we record the first repair that we do when we have a roof like this is because we want to make sure that your roof is repairable, and then we can just show you that it's not repairable or if it is repairable. If it's repairable, you're probably never going to watch this video. If your shingles are not repairable, then we'll send you this video and see what you want to do, because just looking at the shingles around here, I don't think that your roof is repairable because it looks so brittle and fragile. So what I did, I basically just marked out for you just to show you the other shingles that can be damaged while repairing this individual shingle. So you've got one right here, you've got two right here, 3, 4, 5, and ignore my bad hand rating, 6, 7, and 8. So there's 8 potential shingles that can get damaged. As you can imagine, if we damage one of these shingles, you're not going to want to proceed with the repairs, because then it would just cause further damage to your roof, and it wouldn't make sense. And so at the end of this, we'll give it a 0 out of 8 ranking. So let's say I get 1 damaged shingle, then it's 1 out of 8 shingles that gets damaged during the construction of it. So let me begin. So first thing I do is I use this tool right here. There's an adhesive strip on the bottom side of these shingles. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not easy to break. Right now, we just want to break the adhesive strip. And I'm gonna, just so you know, I'm gonna be using extreme precautions during this, and there's pretty much no one else that will use this type of precaution when performing these shingles, because as you can imagine, they don't have time. I don't know why. The second one here, sometimes you can get a little tricky on the side, so it's actually easier. Now, we have to be careful when breaking these adhesives. God, I am terrified of the shingle because it looks so fragile. I'm gonna need to get over. I'm gonna need to get over a little bit further. There we go. Ooh. Let's try it from this end. I have better success. The adhesive strip seems to be strong, but there we go. All right. I don't like that right there already. So what I like to do is just mark out the shingles that get damaged. So I'm just gonna mark out the shingle. So I'm already gonna just give it a 1 out of 8 so far, because that's not good to have on there, that tear. All right, the next step is, this is mostly for me, I like to just point out where the nails are, because it's easier. Ah, shoot. All right, Jim, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to send you this video afterwards. Let me take some pictures. So we've got that tear over there. We have, so you have material transfer on here. Basically what happens is that next shingle that's gonna be put on here isn't going to adhere properly because of this material transfer. As you can imagine, it's not going to stick afterwards. It's not a ton, but you do have it. Over there? Nope. I'll lift the shingle. Again, I don't know if you can see that, but hopefully you can. There's a whole piece of the shingle that's missing on there. Okay. It's not bad. It's there. Looks like right there. Sorry, I'm just spotting out the nails right now, because this shingle actually goes underneath all of these. Okay, A lot of nails. Let's get these nails out. So I have to get, I don't know why I didn't break the adhesive strip on that. It's silly of me. Ooh, good catch. So obviously I've got to break the adhesive strip of this one below it. Corner looks better. And I go from the side like this because it's the best way not to cause damage. Oh my gosh. Nothing wants to work with me this morning. All right. All right, now we want to get underneath here. Need to get underneath both. Jeez, oh no. Oh, that's the shingle that we're replacing, so that's okay. It's starting to... It's all right. I don't need to get that one over there. Oops, I need to go underneath all three. I hate it when they do that. We're just gonna leave that one because I might just be able to pull it out. Oh my gosh, I hate it when they do that. Doing it again. So oftentimes when we actually do these, we'll get something called a nail hole or nail pop. We're not going to have that on this, which is awesome. I'm actually trying to... There's no other way to get it out besides doing it like that. All right, there we go. Should slide out. Beautiful. I'm hoping that I am spelling your name right. I just need to take pictures of us taking the shingle out. I'm going to put that up there, and then I will write on the back side of that. Looks like a Tamco shingle. Next step, I'm gonna hammer this in. There we go. And this is the material transfer I'm talking about. So this isn't gonna adhere properly to it in these areas that you're noticing. You actually have parts of the shingle getting left behind. Not good. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut the shingle. It's so little though, I might just leave it how it is. I need to cut the side of it.